Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Edge Rear Wiper, easy method. Start by lifting the arm and removing the old blade clip with a flat tool, then slide the new blade onto the arm until it clicks securely. Make sure the rubber seals sit flush and test the wiper with washer fluid to confirm smooth operation. Tighten any retaining nuts and lower the arm gently to avoid bending the pivot. Begin by lifting the rear arm away from the window until it stays open, then locate and press the small locking tab on the blade base. Pull the blade straight off the hook or pin connection, keeping fingers clear of any spring tension. If the arm has a retaining nut, use the correct socket to remove it and set it aside. Clean the pivot area before proceeding to installation for best fit. If you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab the Kindle Paperwhite to read manuals and instructions comfortably while you work on your car. It's waterproof and easy to hold in one hand. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To install, align the new blade adapter with the arm hook or pin and push firmly until it locks into place, then gently lower the arm back onto the glass. Activate the wiper and washer to check for smooth movement and full coverage. Listen for scraping or chattering. If the blade skips, reseat the rubber or check for bent arms. Dispose of the old blade responsibly and keep spare blades in your toolkit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.